Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Diva Dharma Wijaya as the presenter to represent the team. The team consisted of Mr. Nur Setiawan, Mrs. Anita Ramawati, and the other master student, Faidal Mamudi, Karisma Wiranidita, and Akhlil Bayi Pamungkas. The title of this community service is Engagement of the Resilience Evaluation Instrument for Pasar Bulmbang Wirkarten Tourism Village against disaster risk. Next, this presentation will be divided into 5 parts: introduction, location, method, result, and conclusion. First of all, Yogyakarta province has been gifted with beautiful and rich natural resources. For the example, one of the destinations that is currently crowded is the Blumbang Market in Burkarten Village. Blumbang Market is only held at certain times where there are many micro, small, and medium enterprises from the surrounding communities. The development of tourist sites was begun in 2016 and managed by the Tourism Awareness Group or POKDARGIS. The enthusiasm of the community is quite high, making the Blumbang market have a lot of visitors. However, this is not always good. There will be a risk of disaster. It recognizes that a location is the part of the earth plate, which is part of the big earthquake that occurred in 2006. According to BNP Bureau Bulletin number 1 of 2020, in the mitigation disaster risk, these community services will focus in increasing the capacity of tourism awareness community groups to be ready to respond of existing hazard and make Wirkarten Village a disaster-resilient village. For the location, Blumbang Market names come from its location and the village pond area with a total area of 0.31 hectare. The pond is located in the riparian area of the Gajah River, which can cause landslide and flood. Next, to understand the readiness of disaster-resilient village, it's necessary to understand the community about disaster by organizing focus group discussion with guidance from Muhammadiyah Disaster Management Center or MDMC partners. The implementation will be carried out by stages, starting with set observation of possible disaster that can happen. After that, they will increase the understanding with seminar on disaster mitigation by MDMC. The final stage will evaluate the understanding of the Blumbang market management to be given a recommendation on what to do to improve the disaster management. Next, the test was given using a Google form with a total of 17 questions, covering knowledge about the definition of disaster, mitigation, the regulations that are used, and the rules that exist in Islam. The pre-test was given at the time before the presentation was given by MDMC. The result only had 2 questions with a total 70% correct answer. That indicates the unpreparedness of the community in handling disaster. Then continue the presentation session that explained meaning and steps must be done to the readers losing during a disaster and how to evacuate the visitor. The result in the post-test show an increased understanding of the disaster mitigation with a total of 16 correct answers above 70%. And for the conclusion, in the presentation that has been done by MDMC can give significant insight. This can be seen from the result of the pre-test and post-test given to the tourism awareness group in Wirkarten, which is expected to reduce the risk of disaster in Wirkarten area. Last but not least, for the successful activities that have been carried out, our members are gratefully and thankful to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and thanks to LPM UMY who support our community service activities. and partner for MDMC. We have assist in delivering disaster seminar and training, and also the Blumbang Market Tourism Brigade Group. UMI ada, masyarakat berdaya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.